I hear you. I hear you.
What, Eli?
I'm gonna throw it, Grandma. Grandma, here's my ball.
Eli, throw it.
Throw it. Get it from Grandma. Get it. No, it's mine.
Yeah.
Go get it.
Can you throw it to me, dude? Can you throw it to Daddy?
Come on, you playing with Grandma? Careful right there, buddy. Get him up. No. Boom. Yay!
Hey, dude.
Where'd Daddy go? Where did Daddy go? Throw the ball to Daddy.
Eli.
Are you nodding? We're working on nodding.
Oh, you missed.
Can you put your waist